Hey, kindergarten. Today I wanted to go over some of our math packet questions. So today we're going to do just days 1 and 2. So turn to your first page and I'll be showing you how to do it on the smartboard also. Okay. So the very first problem right here on yours. And so I'm doing it on the smartboard, but the things that I move on my smartboard, you can actually draw pictures for yours to help you answer the problem. So the first question is, Josh had 3 apples. Sally gave him 3 more. How many apples does Josh have altogether? So remember that when we read these problems, we always find the numbers and circle them. So the first number I see is 3, so I'm going to circle that. And he had 3 apples, so we want to remember what he had 3 of. So Josh had 3 to start, and then Sally gave him 3 more. And when we see more, that means that they're going to add apples, so there's going to be even more. How many apples does Josh have altogether? This word altogether also means that you're adding. It means you're putting these two together to see what your answer is. So I'm going to drag apples to kind of show you the problem. So Josh had 3 to start, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So that's when you would be drawing your apples in the square on your sheet. So right here, you should draw 3 apples. And then after he had 3 apples, Sally gave him 3 more apples. So then you're going to draw 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do our problem. So we started with 3 apples. And then Sally gave 3 more apples. And then how many apples is that all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 as what it equals when you put it together. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, let's do the next problem. Tad had 9 Valentines. So that's our first number that we're going to have to circle. So let me get my pen ready. All right, so we'll circle 9. And he had 9 Valentines. So remember, we want to know what he had 9 of. And then his mom gave him 1 more. So we'll circle that 1 also because that's our next number. And more means that you're giving an extra one. All right. How many Valentines does he have? And when it says how many does he have, that means all together now that his mom gave him 1 too. So let's go ahead and start moving the pictures to show that. And while I move mine, I'd like you to draw a picture for yours. So Tad had 9 Valentines. So I'm going to start with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then his mom gave him 1 more, so we'll add 1 more. So let's write our math fact right here. So 9 Valentines plus 1 more Valentine equals how many altogether? Let's count them to see how many it is altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we know that 9 and 1 more makes 10. All right, let's do our next problem. Okay, so this is on your next page, so you'll turn to your next page and remember that you're going to draw pictures in the boxes. So the next one, it says day 2 at the top. All right, so this says, Sam has 4 candy canes in his stocking. Jen gave him 3 more candy canes. How many candy canes did Sam have all together? So there are some important things that we need to underline and circle so that we know what we're doing. So first, we need to do the numbers. So Sam had 4 candy canes, oops, in his stocking, and then Jen gave him 3 more. So we're going to circle that number. And remember, when it says more, it means more of what they already had. So 3 more candy canes. How many candy canes did Sam have all together? That's an important word too, because that's how we know that we're adding. All right, so let's go ahead and show the pictures for that. All right, so you're going to draw some candy canes while I drag mine. So 4 candy canes to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Jen gave him 3 more candy canes. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So to start, we'll start writing our problem. We started with 4 candy canes. And then we had 3 more candy canes. And then we need to know how many it is all together. So let's count how many it is all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, and this is our last problem. This problem says, let's grab my pen to get ready for that. Camden had 5 toy trucks. Chris gave him 3 more. How many toy trucks does Camden have all together? So we started out with 5 toy trucks, and then Chris gave him 3 more. And more is an important word because we know that means that we're going to add. How many toy trucks does Camden have all together? That's another adding word. All right, so we're going to drag ours to C. So we started out with 5 trucks. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then his friend Chris gave 3 more trucks. So 1, 2, 3. So let's start writing our problem. We started out with 5 trucks. Then we got 3 more trucks. And let's see what that is all together. So we started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 more make 6, 7, 8. So we'll put that 8 there, and then we'll read our fact and make sure it sounds right. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Awesome. All right, so thanks for doing that with me, guys. Tomorrow we will do the next 2 days. So if you want to go ahead and do them so that then the video just helps you check it, that would be awesome. See ya.